Hi, I'm Ester Williams, and this is Miller's Bread Basket. I've been here for 14 and a half years, and I will show you how we do our macaroni and cheese. First of all, you have your raw macaroni. Put it in, bring your water to a boil. Follow your instructions. We make big batches, so when you make it at home, you'll have a box to go by with the instructions. So you bring the water to a boil, put the macaroni in, and stir it up and take it off the burner and let it set for about 7 to 10 minutes. And then you will have consistency like this. Then we do a cheese sauce. And the cheese sauce, you take a block of butter, put it in a pan, in a big pan, and you melt the butter. Then you add your flour, ground mustard, a pinch of nutmeg, and salt. And the pinch of nutmeg will enhance the flavor. So you cook that for about 5 minutes, and then you have your milk, and you put that in a pot, and then you bring that to a temperature of 145. Then you put that in the pot with the flour, and you cook it, for until it comes to 195, and then you take it off the burner, and then you add your cheese, and that is how we make our cheese sauce. Then, when you put it together, put it in a pan, spray it, and then we put our macaroni in. Okay, and then we add the cheese sauce. And you mix it up. And then you cook it for, maybe 45 minutes. I like to get it to about 145, 150. We make everything with a temperature gauge. We have our temperatures that we go by. Then we bake it. Then this is what it looks like when you get it out. And it'll be like this, and then you'll add cheese on top and you'll melt the cheese. So now comes the fun part. You may taste it. Y'all want to taste it? Go ahead. It's very simple. The hardest part is the cheese sauce, but I think it's pretty good.